Okay. I think I said this in my or on my Instagram that I ordered this and that it finally came in. I need to charge the battery. I guess it just automatically cut off. But here is my Sony ZV-1 camera. Now, obviously, I just got it in, so I haven't had a chance to use it yet. But as you can see, it's got a little side screen there, so you can, see yourself, make sure you're in view of the camera, and so you're not out of the angle. And this here is a remote. It's the vlogger kit, is what it is. You can zoom in, take a picture, or you can hit that button to record. You can also have the camera up on a tripod and use it that way, and then just hold the vlogger kit there, the handle, and use it as a remote to start and stop the camera. It don't have to be on it, mounted on the handle for the handle to work, because it works via Bluetooth. So, Bluetooth. So the camera can be over off to the side on a tripod or whatever, or just sitting on a table or whatever, and you can use the handle to start and stop the camera whenever you need to. I haven't used this, so I don't really know why the battery would be dead. That's strange. I charged it when I first got it, but I don't know. We'll have to see. That's kind of weird. I played with the settings and everything for a little while, but I haven't used it as a camera or to video anything yet. So I don't know why the battery went dead that quick. But if you need any better reviews on it, this is just showing you that I did get it in. It's not really a review of the camera, because like I said, I haven't used it yet. There are a lot of YouTube videos on how to use this camera and how to adjust the settings and everything. So you should check one of those videos out. Like I said, I'm new to all this high-tech stuff, so I really don't even know how to use the camera yet, other than just hit the record button and start talking. But I will be using it. This will probably be my last video using my phone or my iPad, and I'll start using that camera. So hopefully the sound will be better, the audio, and hopefully the picture quality will be better too. So anyway, if anybody has used this camera, put some comments down there and let me know how good of a camera it is. I think Nick Pixel has one. I don't think he's done a review on it yet either. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.